How to add Payoneer payment gateway in Shopify 2023 step by step. Hello everyone, welcome back to another video. I hope you all are doing great and are having an amazing and absolutely incredible day. I bring you back with yet another video, and in this video we're going to be talking about Payoneer payments and how you can add them to Shopify in the easiest, most simplest way possible. We're going to make a proper Payoneer checkout. I'm going to make a proper Shopify account for your payment setup, and it's going to be a really simple and really easy tutorial, and you're going to be glad that you clicked on this video to watch it. Without further ado, just keep on watching till the end to gain all the knowledge and information that you can about Shopify and how you can use this amazing, incredible e-commerce store for your payment setup. So, without further ado, let's get straight into the depths and details of this video. Now, to start things off, obviously, you're going to come over to your Shopify.com. And once we're in your Shopify.com, we're going to obviously want to create a store and everything. Now, to create a store, you're going to go ahead and we're going to click on Start Free Trial. Now, in my case, I'm going to be using a temp mail. You could obviously follow this step if you want to, but you don't necessarily need to. Again, you can just use a normal email like your Gmail, Hotmail, Yahoo, whatever, you use. So obviously in my case, I'm going to be going with this temp mail. And once we do that, we can add all these things. Let's get started. Which one of these best describes you? I'm going to go with, obviously, for setting up payments, we're probably already selling online. So I'm going to go next. Are you currently selling through any of these platforms? I'm going to go with, no, I'm not using any of these. So we're going to go next. Where would you like to sell? It could be an online store. It could be in person, wherever you require. I'm going to go with an online store and click on next. What do you plan to sell first? Products I buy. It could be digital products, drop shipping products, printing on demand products, and all that. And once you do that, you're going to click on next once again. Now, once you keep clicking on next and you go further on with these steps, what's going to happen is it's going to bring you here where it says create a Shopify ID for yourself. Okay, now once it brings you to creating a Shopify ID over here, one last step before starting your free trial. Continue with email, continue with Apple, etc., etc. Obviously, we have an email right here, so I'm going to continue with this. Paste it. There we go. Then you're going to add in your designated password with your account. And once you do that, you're going to click on Create Shopify ID. And what it's going to do from there is it's going to properly create your store in the easiest, most simplest way possible. And now once your store is created, let's go ahead and discuss how you're going to add your Payoneer step by step in the simplest, easiest way. Okay, now obviously for this, you are going to want to have a Payoneer account. And having a Payoneer account, if you're going to start right now, like if you're going to start making a Payoneer account right now, it might take you a while to verify it and everything. Like it could take you a day or two to verify everything. So yeah, you're gonna make sure to mess around with that. Now, once we have a general outlook of that, what we're gonna do is we're gonna come to our Shopify and we're gonna come to settings. Okay, now once you go to your settings, what you're gonna do from here is you're gonna move over to your payments. Okay, here's your payments. Now, once you go to your payments, you're going to get a few options, okay? Now, obviously, you have all these payment providers here, okay? You have additional payment methods, supported payment methods. You're going to go on payment providers, okay? Once you go on payment providers, obviously, you can choose any of these third-party providers if you have any. Obviously, for us, what we are going to be searching up, like, obviously, many payment providers are going to be unavailable for me. As you can see, the only payment provider for me is going to be this, to checkout. And if we even look up Payoneer and this, like, look at this, Payoneer, you don't find anything, do you? So that's a pretty big issue. So to add Payoneer, what you're going to do is you're going to go on this, supported payment methods. So for supported payment methods over here, you're going to write Payoneer. Now, once you write Payoneer over here, what's going to happen is obviously it's going to search up, search by provider. Sorry, I forgot. So you're going to search up Payoneer. Okay, and here you can see it gives you Payoneer checkout. Now, once you get Payoneer checkout in front of you, obviously you're going to go ahead and click on Payoneer checkout. Okay, it's extremely important that you choose Payoneer checkout, and you're going to click on it, and there you go. And then you're just going to click on activate. Now, once you click on activate, as you can see, about Payoneer checkout. Payoneer checkout makes it easy for customers to purchase anywhere in the world through fast, easy, and secure buying experiences that build loyalty. Be like the brands you look up to. Offer frictionless payment pages that make customers want to buy through Payoneer checkout. Increase acceptance rates, reduce cart abandonment, speed up your settlement times, save on foreign exchange fees, reduce fraudulent payments, and ensure store compliance. And the account status, you can see you are not currently connected to Payoneer checkout. Obviously, click connect to install the app and set up your account. Now, as we can see, you can either contact Payoneer checkout, do it directly if you want to, or you can just go ahead and click on connect. Now, once you click on connect, as you can see, it takes you to, your My Shopify. You're going to select the store that you are going to be doing this for. Obviously, this is our email. So yeah, this is the store that we have. Now, once you've chosen the store, obviously it's going to bring you to the main Shopify dashboard, where it's going to ask you to connect your Shopify store with your Payoneer checkout application. Once you connected with your Payoneer checkout application, obviously from there on out, what's going to happen is it's going to bring us to the payment gateway again. Finish setting up your Payoneer checkout account. So to finish it, obviously we're going to go ahead and click on manage, and it brings us to our Payoneer solutions and checkout. Okay, now here what you're going to be doing, okay, this is where the steps get a bit crucial. Okay, this is where it brings you to your main Payoneer page, okay, your main Payoneer.com page. And in your main Payoneer.com page, what's going to happen is it's going to bring you to quite a few options. So Payoneer checkout, your gateway to global online payment processing, etc., etc. So it gives you a lot of things. Now, obviously, it's upon us to properly sign in with our correct details, okay? And once you sign in with your correct details, from there on out, what's gonna be happening is that you are gonna go ahead into, Payoneer has that left side dashboard where it says get paid and everything. So you are gonna, choose via a marketplace platform, okay? So obviously I'm already signed in with my Payoneer. So once you are signed in with your Payoneer and everything, this is gonna be your Payoneer main page. So here's my sign in. I'm just gonna go ahead and sign in and show you all how you are gonna enable yourself. So we're gonna come over here to get paid. Now once you come over to get paid as so, what's gonna happen from there is you're gonna click on receiving accounts. Now once you click on receiving accounts, over here you can see all these things, grow your business with receiving accounts, etc. So we're gonna click on request account. We're gonna go next. Obviously you're gonna choose the countries, and you're gonna see their guidelines and everything. And once you've chosen them, you're gonna click on next. Then you're gonna obviously have them review our request, okay? And once you have them review our request, from there on out, your request should be approved automatically, okay? And even more so, wait, if I go back, there's also ways for us to directly connect to a third-party processor, okay? And connecting to a third-party processor is also, I'd say, a pretty easier way, or a pretty simpler way, okay? Now, obviously, what I'm doing is connecting it to a third-party processor, but what you can obviously do is you can go ahead on Get Paid. You can click on Request a Payment, okay? And as you can see, how do you collect payments from clients? Via a marketplace platform, okay? So a via marketplace platform can also be done, and obviously it's going to tell you all the steps on how you can get paid through marketplace platforms in the easiest way. So, you get the whole gist of it, and it's really easy and basic stuff when it comes to all of this. So yeah, that's about it for this video. Thank you for watching, and I'll see all of you next time. Goodbye.